Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all the 13,000 subscribers who have supported me till date. Presently I am having around 650 plus technical videos for all the various machineries on board the ship, and presently having more than 1.3 million views. So today I will like to say something about the membership perks. So the first level is Marine Tech Hub level number 1. So pricing is 299 per month, and in this level you will be able to see all the machineries concerned with class 4, and you will have question answers and other thing required for the interview, and also I will be giving you tips for the joining of different companies. I will be helping you out in that. So next level is Marine Tech Hub level 2, where I will be mostly dealing with second engineers with respect to main engine, different types of main engine, and also I will be explaining about the latest electronic engine. So you will be able to get all the videos in that. And level number 3 is Marine Tech Hub level number 3 is 799 per month. In this I will be able to give you all the troubleshooting of various machineries, main engine, boiler, generator, IG, all the troubleshooting which you may not be able to solve whatever they are given in the book. More than that I will be giving you, and I will be very thankful if you get the membership and help me to have a better understanding with my subscribers. And if you have any doubt, let me know and message me if you want anything. Thank you very much. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I explain about purifier control panel. In this picture you can see this is the alpha level operating panel here. These are the buttons. So this button is for the heater, and this button you can see right now the purifier is running. This button is used for separation, at the same time for stopping the purifier. So this light right now green you can see, so purifier is running, and this button is for the discharge. Suppose you press this, then the purifier will start discharging, and the last button is for the alarm. So in this picture you can see this is the purifier here, and this is the feed pump. Feed pump right now green is, you can see the light, so feed pump is running. TT is the temperature, and PT is the pressure one, and this is the three-way valve. You can see all the lights. MT is the water transducer, and PT4 is again pressure. Then PT5 is another pressure here, you can see, and the purifier is running. You can see the light here. Right now the RPM is 6000. Then you have the 16, 15, 10. This I have explained the water which is entering for the purifier. I have explained in one of the videos. You can see that. Right now I will show you. When I press plus and minus, you can see all the parameters here, and right now the RPM of the purifier is 6000. So you can see when I press here, you can see each value changing. Now the time, you can see 1 hour 36 minutes you have 68. Again, these are the parameters I will explain to you in detail. Temperature right now 94, I can see, and this is the pressure right now. You can see 5.2 cubics per hour it is running at this. PT1 is 0.21 pressure right now. PT4 is 2.4 cubics pressure. PT5 is 0.3, and you can see MT water transducer 86.8. I will be explaining in more details about this. So this is the basics, what you need to observe, and if any alarm come, you need to accept and check whether the pressure or some problem will be always be there. So temperature problem will be there, maybe temperature high, low, PT 5, pressure low or high, water transducer, again you will get alarm. So this is the basics for the beginners. So if you have any message, let me know, and if you like the video, please subscribe, and all the messages you can send, I'm replying to all of them. And have a good day. Thank you.